Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do the keyframe animations in the CapCut PC. So in here, if you want to do keyframe, you must see at the menu at the CapCut. If you see this diamond shape options in the menu, it means that you can add keyframes to this settings. So for example, you can add keyframes to the scale, to the blending option, and you can also add keyframes in the adjustment in here if you enable it. So I'm going to show you how, for example, I want to adjust the scale. So I'm going to add the first keyframe at the start. Then I'm going to move forward on the clip. Then I'm going to add another keyframe on the scale again. And here on the second keyframe, I'm going to make the scale bigger like this. Then I'm going to see the result. So if you see the result, it will go like this. It will have a zoom in effect because I enlarge the scale using the keyframe animations. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.